Can you eat mushrooms? Well, God certainly made mushrooms, and He certainly made them very nice. I can remember when we were living down in Melbourne, my son came to me one day and he said, "Mum, there are two people that come in a car and they come under the big trees down the bottom of the paddock. I think you call a paddock a field. And they gather things. And my son William crept up in the bush. He wanted to know what they were doing. And there was this type of mushroom that almost looks like coral."
For those who don't know, mushrooms are highly appreciated foods in cooking, known for their unique flavor and versatility in various dishes. However, despite their benefits, they can also cause serious health problems for those who consume them, especially when certain precautions are not observed. Barbara O'Neill is a natural health practitioner and educator from Australia, known for her work in the areas of health and wellness, particularly focusing on nutrition, detoxification, and natural remedies. She has conducted lectures and workshops worldwide, sharing her views on how diet, lifestyle, and natural treatments can impact health. According to Barbara O'Neill, some types of mushrooms have properties that can be dangerous for the human body. So in today's video, we will discover the benefits and potential dangers of consuming mushrooms.
So we investigated what this mushroom was, and apparently some of the restaurants pay a very high price for this coral mushroom. They are high in B12, they have some B vitamins, they have some proteins, a little bit of carbohydrate.
Barbara O'Neill highlights mushrooms as a source of essential nutrients, including vitamins and proteins that support overall health. Certain mushrooms, particularly varieties like shiitake, maitake, and button mushrooms, contain B vitamins that play crucial roles in metabolism, energy production, and brain function. Among these, vitamin B12 is noteworthy for its role in maintaining nerve health and supporting red blood cell formation. B12 is often challenging to obtain from non-animal sources, making mushrooms a unique option for individuals following plant-based diets. The protein content in mushrooms, while modest compared to animal sources, contributes to their value as a supplementary protein source. Additionally, mushrooms contain a range of antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative stress, which can contribute to inflammation and chronic diseases. Compounds like selenium, ergothioneine, and glutathione present in mushrooms further enhance their antioxidant profile, supporting the immune system and promoting cellular health.
And so my son picked some and we cooked it, and it was very delicious. It is true there are some mushrooms, especially the gold top, that have hallucinogenic effect on the body. There are some mushrooms that can be toxic, so it is important to know your mushrooms.
However, not all mushrooms are beneficial. Barbara O'Neill warns against the dangers of certain types of mushrooms, especially those that are hallucinogenic or toxic. Hallucinogenic mushrooms, also known as psychedelic mushrooms, contain compounds like psilocybin that can profoundly affect the brain and alter perception. While these mushrooms have been studied for potential therapeutic uses, their effects can be unpredictable, especially when consumed outside a controlled setting. For individuals with underlying mental health conditions or those unaware of the potential psychological impact, consuming hallucinogenic mushrooms may lead to distressing experiences, anxiety, and other adverse effects. Toxic mushrooms present an even greater risk, as some species resemble edible varieties, leading to accidental ingestion. The effects of toxic mushrooms can range from mild gastrointestinal discomfort to severe liver and kidney damage, or even death. Poisonous varieties such as the Amanita phalloides, commonly known as the death cap, contain toxins that cause irreversible organ damage.
But they are a fungus, and if someone has a yeast problem in their body, they're best to keep away from the mushrooms.
For individuals with specific health conditions, mushrooms may pose additional challenges. Barbara O'Neill advises those with digestive issues, particularly those involving yeast overgrowth, to avoid mushrooms. Mushrooms, as members of the fungi kingdom, share certain biological characteristics with yeasts, which can complicate digestive health for individuals prone to fungal infections or imbalances. Conditions such as candidiasis, a yeast overgrowth in the digestive tract, may be aggravated by consuming foods related to fungi, including mushrooms. For those with weakened digestive systems, mushrooms can also be difficult to digest due to the presence of chitin in their cell walls, a tough, fibrous substance that requires significant digestive effort to break down. Symptoms such as bloating, gas, and discomfort may result, especially in individuals with compromised gut health or sensitivities. This structural complexity makes mushrooms less suitable for individuals with delicate digestive systems or those managing yeast-related health issues.
If someone is endeavouring to conquer cancer in their body, because of the link between cancer and fungus, they also are best to leave the mushrooms away or to leave the mushrooms alone.
Cancer patients, according to Barbara O'Neill, should be particularly cautious about including mushrooms in their diets. Barbara O'Neill suggests that mushrooms may not be ideal for those battling cancer due to the connection she perceives between fungi and cancer growth. Cancer cells share certain metabolic characteristics with fungi, such as their reliance on sugar and preference for low oxygen, acidic environments. O'Neill explains that by consuming mushrooms, cancer patients might unintentionally introduce additional fungal elements that could exacerbate their condition. Although scientific evidence supporting this perspective is limited, Barbara O'Neill advocates for a diet that creates an alkaline internal environment, as opposed to one that may promote fungal growth. Her recommendations for cancer patients include focusing on foods that support immune health and avoid contributing to the acidic, low-oxygen conditions that may favor cancer cell growth. She advises against mushrooms for those with cancer, instead recommending a diet rich in vegetables, which helps to maintain an alkaline balance and provides essential nutrients without potentially fostering fungal elements.
But if they conquer their yeast, fungal problems in their body, and if they conquer cancer problems in their body, it's quite possible that at a certain time they can eat a little mushrooms.
Barbara O'Neill's perspective on mushrooms reflects a careful balance between recognizing their potential health benefits and acknowledging their risks. For the general population, mushrooms can provide valuable nutrients and contribute to a balanced diet. However, individuals with specific health concerns, such as cancer, digestive issues, or a history of fungal infections, should approach mushroom consumption with caution. As with many foods, the choice to include mushrooms in the diet should be guided by individual health needs, personal preferences, and, when necessary, professional advice. Barbara O'Neill's insights serve as a reminder of the complexity of mushrooms and the importance of considering both their nutritional value and potential health implications. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to click the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.